Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I'm going to quickly show you guys how to create your own Memoji on your iPhone. So the easiest way for me is all the way on the bottom, I scroll until I find stickers or Memoji, right? So I can click on Memoji, and there I have one option and another option and quite a few more. I can go on add, right where this plus sign is, and now it's showing my face. See, I'm moving around, opening my mouth, and it does all that stuff. And here's where you customize your uh, Memoji. And so that's the color of my skin. Do I have any freckles? I can add different cheeks, beauty spots. We'll add one of those. I don't really have one. And now I can go to hairstyle, give myself a hairstyle. Let's go with this. And there's a lot to choose from. We can go to brows, eyes, the different kind of head do you have, your nose, mouth, and whenever you're done customizing, it goes all the way to even clothing. It's really, really cool. You just click done, and I've made this atrocity. So, guys, that's how you add a Memoji, and I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something. Thank you guys for watching, and have a great day.